Yo, what is up guys, Tom's on here back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm showing you guys the top 5 best modded crew colors in GTA 5 Online. If you guys do end up enjoying today's video and you do end up getting any of these modded crew colors on today's list, I would greatly appreciate it if you can go down below and hit that like button down below, and while you're down there, consider hitting that subscribe button while you're at it. I do post daily GTA 5 content such as weekly money methods, modded outfits, and GTA 5 glitches with weekly live streams. So if you are into that, consider subscribing. It is free and you can always change your mind. And before today's video does start, a word from our sponsor. If you're low on money in GTA 5 Online for the new DLC, make sure you go ahead and check out Messy Modding store down below. They sell cheap and reliable modded accounts and even account boosting for Xbox, PlayStation, and even PC. So if you are low on money for GTA 5 Online, make sure you go and check out Messy Modding down below. And they even have tons of other services on their website, so make sure you go and check out Messy Modding down below. And now let's get into the video. Now to start off, to get these modded crew colors in GTA 5 Online, head over to your main crew. Once you're at your main crew that you own, come over to here where you should have like these 3 dots and just press on it and then press edit crew. Now my thing is already modded, so I don't have to do this. Let me just put on a random color, then save this crew. There we go. Now all you want to do is right click on your color right here, come over to inspect element. Now all this here does look confusing, but trust me, it's simple. You just want to scroll down a little until you go ahead and find the one right here. It just say value hashtag with some hex code on it. All you want to do is double click on the hex code and paste the hex code I show you in today's videos, right? And make sure you add an hashtag and press enter once you have done that. Now you can exit out of the inspect element, scroll down, and then do save this crew. There we go, and make sure it gets a check mark. And now just go and refresh your page and you should have like this little checkerboard thing. Now just come over here, and as you guys can see on the background, you can see the modded crew color that you're gonna be getting, right? And it should be checkerboard just like this, with like a not checkerboard but like a transparent effect to it and all that. So that's how you get these modded crew colors on today's video. It's not regularly just by like typing it out. You gotta glitch it out. All right, so these are like actual true modded crew colors. You can't get these regularly, right? So onto the video. Now the first modded crew color on today's list is gonna be called Plump Purple. Now this one here is one of my favorites, so I had to place it first place. Now to start off, come over to resprays, come over to primary color, and all you want to do is go ahead and put on your crew. Do the same thing on your secondary by coming over here and put on the crew on your secondary as well. Once you have done that, come over to your primary colors, come over to pearlescence, and all you want to do is keep on scrolling down until you find a salmon pink. All right, so keep on scrolling down until you find it. Here it is right here. Now if you do not like the salmon pink as a pearlescent, you do not have to go ahead and pick this one. You can pick any other pearlescent you like, but this one in my opinion does go good with the modded crew color because it gives a nice shade to it with a little like nice texture, I would say. But yeah, this one right here is probably one of my favorites out of this whole entire list. And as I said, you don't have to put this exact pearlescent on this modded crew color. So here's a little 360 view of the modded crew color with the windows and all that. Just gives it a little more lighting. So here's a little montage of the modded crew color to show you guys a full 360 of it and some nice lighting. So yeah. Now the next modded crew color I'll be showing you on today's list is going to be a modded gray looking modded crew color. Alright, you'll see what I'm talking about in a few. Alright, so come over to your resprays right here. Once you're here, come over to your primary color and go ahead and put on your crew. Once you have done that, back out, come over to your secondary. Now you have 2 options. You can go ahead and put on your crew for your secondary, or you can do what I'm about to do. Come over to your metallicas, and all you want to do is keep on scrolling down until you find the race yellow. Okay, so keep on, there it is right here. So you can go ahead and do this. Now as I said, you have 2 options. You can go ahead and put crew on your secondary, or you can go ahead and put race yellow on the metallica for your secondary crew color, right? But that's all on you, okay? And also I would say change your wheel color to race yellow as well. It makes it nice, right? Next up, come over to your primary colors, then come over to your pearlescent. All you want to do is scroll down until you find the race yellow. Here it is right here, and as you guys can see, it has a nice effect to this modded crew color, right? It just makes the thing look a whole lot more better, especially with the race yellow on the secondary and the wheels. It makes it and gives it like a nice glow to it. And here's a little montage of it. Now the next model crew color I'll be showing you in today's list is going to be the light slate blue. Now this one's probably one of my favorites out of this list. Now to start off, come over to your resprays primary color and then go ahead and put on the crew for your primary and do the same thing on your secondary as well. And as you guys can see, just the model color itself looks nice in my opinion, but yeah, to make it look a lot more better, come over to primary color, pearlescent, and all you want to do is keep on scrolling down until you go ahead and find the hot pink. Alright, so keep on scrolling and there we go, here it is right here. And as you guys can see, the thing looks amazing by itself. Now if you do not like the hot pink and let's say you want to add something else, you can go ahead and do that, but hot pink in my opinion looks the best on this model crew color. Right now, if you do want to make it look a lot more better, like let's say add a 3D effect to it or like a glossy effect, come over here to your chrome and go ahead and put chrome on your primary and do the same thing on your secondary. Go ahead and put chrome on your primary and then secondary. Once you have done that, come over, scroll down to crew, and all you want to do is go ahead and put on the crew. And as you guys can see, the stripes right there, it has like the glossy effect to it. Do the same thing on your primary. Go ahead and put the crew now, and then you get this dope glossy / 3D effect to it. Now come over to your pearlescent, and all you want to do is scroll down and go ahead and put hot pink. And as I said previously, if you do not like hot pink on this model crew color, you can go ahead and add something else. All right, and then you get this dope model crew color in my opinion. So there's a little 360 view of it. Now the next model crew color I'll be showing you on today's video is going to be like a dark blue model crew color. You'll see what I'm talking about once I come over here. Now start off, come over to resprays right here, come over to your primary color, and all you want to do is go ahead and put on your crew color. Right, once you've done that, do the same thing on your secondary. Go and put the crew on your secondary as well. Once you've done that, come over back to your primary color, then come over to pearlescent, and all you really want to do now is go ahead and put any red as a pearlescent. Right, now all the reds are pretty much the same, but the only difference is it has like a lighter shade. It goes from like lightest to like darkest shade. Alright, so as you can see while I'm going down, you can see like it's getting from like the brightest shade of red all the way to the darkest, right? So as you can see right there, so you guys can go ahead and put any shade of red, but for me I'm gonna go ahead and put this one right here because it's like the brightest out of all the reds, right? And I like a bright color, right? So here's a little 360 montage of the model crew color. Now the next model crew color I'll be showing you on today's video is going to be like a dark model purple. You'll see what I'm talking about once I go ahead and put it on. Now to start off, come over here to your resprays right here. So there we go. Once you're come over to your primary color, then come over to your crew and put it on, and that's how it looks like right there. And do the same exact thing on our secondary as well. Now come over to your primary color, then come over to your pearlescent, and all you want to do is keep on scrolling down until you go ahead and find the orange, right? So here it is right here. There's orange right here. Now if you want, you can go and put on a different shade of orange, or if you don't like any of these orange pearlescents, as I said previously for the other model crew colors, you can go ahead and put on any other pearlescents you like. All right, you don't have to just put on orange, you can put any other pearlescent. And this is what model crew color here looks like, and honestly this thing looks clean in my opinion. I'll probably rank it like rate it 10 out of 10. All right, so there's a little 360 montage of the model crew color. So hope you guys did enjoy today's top 5 model crew colors. If you guys did end up enjoying it or getting any of these model crew colors on today's video, I would greatly appreciate if you can go ahead and drop a like. It supports the channel a whole lot. And while you're down there, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I do post daily GTA 5 content such as weekly money methods. So if you did enjoy today's video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. And Tom's sign out. Peace.